Hello everyone, welcome to a short lesson video on the topic Investment Appraisal for Cambridge A-Level Accounting. In this video, we will understand the concepts of time value of money and discounting factor and solve simple examples on the same. Before we proceed, please note, abbreviations are used in this presentation only due to space constraints. Abbreviations are strictly not allowed in the Cambridge exams. It is now time to understand the meaning of time value of money. Time value of money is the concept which states that money received now is worth more than money received later. I would be happier if someone were to give me $1 now than if they gave me $1 3 years later. Simply because if I get the money now, I can deposit it in a bank and earn interest on it. That's a happy me. Let us look at a simple example. I have $100 to invest, that is my principal amount, and the current interest rate is 10% per annum. So after 1 year, I will have earned interest of 100 into 10%, that is $10. And the amount that I will receive after 1 year will be my principal of $100 plus the interest, that is a total amount of $110. If I were to reinvest the $110, I would get interest of 110 into 10%, that is $11, and the total amount would be 110 plus 11, that is $121 at the end of 2 years. Reinvesting the $121, I will get an interest of 121 into 10%, that is $12.1, and the total amount after 3 years will be 121 plus 12.1, that is $133.1. I started with $100 and I invested it. At the end of year 1, I had $110. At the end of year 2, I had $121. And at the end of year 3, I had $133.1. Therefore, I can say if interest rate is 10%, $100 today will become $110 after 1 year. Also, $100 today will become $121 after 2 years. And $100 today will become $133.1 after 3 years. If $100 is today's value of $110 received 1 year later, what is today's value of $1 received 1 year later? Let us cross multiply. The answer will be 0.909. Similarly, if $100 is today's value of $121 received 2 years later, what is today's value of $1 received 2 years later? If we cross multiply, we will get 0.826 as the answer. Again, $100 is today's value of $133.1 received 3 years later. So what is today's value of $1 received 3 years later? Cross multiply, the answer is 0.751. You might want to pause the video for a minute to take this in. 0.909, 0.826, 0.751 are called discounting factors. In the exam, you will be given the discounting factors for a given rate of interest. We'll take a quick look at the definition of discounting factor. Discounting factor is the rate used to calculate the value of future cash flows in terms of their value if they were received today. Let's understand this with an example. At interest rate of 10% per annum, $0.909 today is equal to $1 1 year later. Therefore, $100 received 1 year later is how much in today's terms? Let us cross multiply. 100 into 0.909 upon 1 that is $90.9. Similarly, $0.826 today is equal to $1 received 2 years later. So if we receive $200 2 years later, its value today will be 200 into 0.826, that is $165.2. Therefore, present value or today's value of future cash flows is equal to the future cash flow multiplied by the discounting factor. Cash outflows will happen now because the investment is being made now. Cash inflows will be generated only in the future. For a meaningful comparison of outflows and inflows, to see if the project is profitable or not, it is essential to bring all the future cash flows to present value, that is today's value. Only then like will be compared with like. Do note that in the exam you will be given the cost of capital and you will use the cost of capital percentage as the discounting rate. So for example, if the business has borrowed money at 12% interest per annum to finance the investment in a project, the cost of capital will be 12% and the future cash flows will be discounted using the factors for that rate. Let's solve another example. We have been given expected cash flows. The cost of capital is 3% per annum and we have to calculate the present values of the cash flows. We have also been given the discounting factors for cost of capital of 3%. We look at the first cash flow. It is $120 after 2 years. The discounting factor for year 2 is 0.942. Therefore, present value of $120 after 2 years will be 120 into 0.942, that is $113.04. Next cash flow is $196 after 3 years and in year 3 the discounting factor is 0.915. Therefore, present value of $196 after 3 years will be 196 into 0.915, which is $179.34. Next cash flow is $42 after 4 years. The discounting factor is 0.888. We get present value of $42 after 4 years is $37.296 today. Here is a small assignment for you. You have been given some cash flows and the cost of capital is 15%. You have to find out the present values of the cash flows. Do solve and comment your answers below. So that was a brief introduction of the concepts of time value of money and discounting factor. We will study the net present value method of investment appraisal in the next video.